Here is a breaking news for everyone. McDonald's is removing artificial intelligence powered technology from its drive-through restaurant in the US after customers shared its commercial missteps online. A trial of the system, which was developed by IBM and uses voice recognition software to process orders, was announced in 2029. It has not power entirely reliable, however, resulting in vital videos of bizarre, misinterpreted orders ranging from bankrupt ice cream to hundreds of dollars worth of chicken nuggets. McDonald's told French franchise it would remove the technology from the more than 100 restaurants. It has been testing it in by the end of the July, as first reported by